So we came last, right? If I could describe it, like what it taught to me at least, there's no such thing as losing, only learning. It's a bit cheesy, but I reckon that's something I took away from that. It's a good time actually. Like it wasn't as bad as I thought it would be. 100% I would do it again. Anyways.
During school, we don't actually get that much opportunity to work with each other. We're always like competing against each other and whatnot. But this is like a good side track to that. And then I found out we actually did work pretty well together, even under stress. So that's something new.
But at the same time, we're actually pushing and we're actually getting stuff done.
My highlight would have been when we actually decided upon an idea, because then we were like, oh yeah, damn, we can actually get down and work on it now.
By far the hardest thing, like hands down by far, was thinking of what to do to make a solution for the problem.
Get a variety of opinions so you can make the best decision after that. I would describe it as a test. It tests so many things about you yourself as a character.
Do you have any advice for high school students interested in business or entrepreneurship?
Just give it a crack, you're not losing anything. Give it a fair go and you'll learn bits and pieces.
Start earlier, start in the junior years when you have a lot more time. You're gonna fail a bunch. You're not gonna hit it first go. Every time you fail, you can learn, right? And then you apply it to your next one. So by the time you hit year 12, you would have failed 1,000 times. And then that's when you hit your jackpot. That's the best time to hit your jackpot as well.